नमस्ते सरहदे देवी सरस्वती मति प्रदे वसत्वं मम जिहति सर्वविद्या प्रदाभव. Good morning to my respected principal sir, teachers, guardians, non-teaching staff and all my dear friends.
On this auspicious day of Basant Panchami, we all gathered here to seek the blessing of the goddess of art, culture, dance and music.
Unlike this year, we have decided to celebrate this day virtually.
We have arranged a virtual exhibition based on the subjects social science, science and maths.
We are now presenting a super clippings done by our students of our school.
Good morning, distinguished parents and dear students. Happy Saraswati Puja. Due to COVID-19, this year Saraswati Puja is being celebrated in a school in a very small manner with staff only. But I pray to Goddess Saraswati to bless all with good health and prosperity, and to students best outcome in upcoming examinations. Even in this pandemic, due to COVID-19, all mentors and teachers of a school have inspired and guided the students to prepare a virtual exhibition on science, social science and mathematical science. I wish all my students to keep their curiosity and creativity along throughout their life, and they utilize all these skills in their life whenever these skills are required in their life. So once again, thank you to all of you. Happy Saraswati Puja. Thanks.
Everybody, welcome to TECHNO Public School. I am Ognivina Deb of class 1. Today I discuss about skip counting in toes. This is very important for grade 1. So we will go to step by step. At first, jump and toes. Here I draw number 9 from 0 to 20. 1 skip, then 2 skip, 3 skip, then 4, 5 skip, then 6. In this way. Now, second topic is color. Count in seconds and color numbers. Here we learn upper finger and tinier finger. So 1 is upper, then 2, 3 is upper, then 4. In this way. Right. Now we write the every colored numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Which one we will color? That's what we will write in this circles. It is very funny and it helps us to learn the table of 2. So, bye-bye everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Shapes and patterns. Shapes are everywhere around us. 2 types of shapes. Number 1, flat or plane shapes. Number 2, solid shapes. This is a square. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Example of a square is carom board. This is a circle. It has 0 sides and 0 corners. Example of a circle is clock. Now, let us learn about solid shape we see in the picture. This is a cube. It has 12 sides, 8 corners and 6 faces. Example of a cube is dish. This is a cone. It has 1 plain face, 1 curved face and 1 corner. Example of a cone is birthday cap.
Morning everyone. I am Anuttam Pandit. I am from TECHNO India Group Public School, BALURGHAT class 2. Today I am going to show you how to do basic maths. Here, see. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Now I am going to show you multiplication. Here, see. 5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 10. Now I am going to show you subtraction. Here, see, 9 minus 4 is equals to 5. Now I am going to show you division. Here, see, 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3. Bye everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Urchita Shah from class 2. Today I want to show a model of place value. And I take a chart paper and 3 wheels. This is hundreds place, this is tens place, and this is ones place. Now I take out a card. On the card I write 867. Now I take out 800 from hundreds place. Then I take out 60 from tens place. Then I take out 7 from ones place. Thus we show our place value. Bye bye and have a great day.
Good morning to my respected teachers, principal sir and all my dear friends. I am Shonak Shah. Today I will show how my division machine is working. First we have to take a problem and give it to the problem box. Now we have to take some ice cream sticks and stuck here. You can see that we need 12 ice cream sticks. And the divisor is 4. That's why we have to take 4 sticks and give here. Now the answer will be 3. And no sticks are left here, so the remainder will be 0. Thank you.
Good morning. I am MD Alias Rao from class 3A, roll number 15. Today I am going to tell about geometric shape. There are many kinds of geometric shapes that are given in the chart. They are square, rectangle, triangle, circle, oval, cube, cylinder and cone, and also hemisphere and cuboid. In case of square, number of sides 4, number of corner is also 4. All sides are equal in size. Now come to rectangle. Number of sides 4, number of corner is also 4. Opposite sides are equal in length. Now come to triangle. Number of sides 3. Number of corner is also 3. Now come to circle. Number of side, no side. Number of corner, no corner. Round in shape, round in shape. Oh, now come to oval. Number of side, no side. Number of corner, no corner. Oval in shape. Now come to cube. Number of edges 6. Number of edges 12. Number of vertices is 8. Now come to cylinder. Number of edges 3. Number of edge is 2. Number of vertices 0. Now come to cone. Number of face 2. Number of edge 1. Number of vertices 1. Now come to hemisphere. A hemisphere has a curved surface and no corners.
It has a circular base and half a sphere. Now come to cuboid. Number of faces 6, number of edges 12, number of vertices 8. This is all about my presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Srimon Gangopadhyay. I am a student of Techno India Group Public School, BALURGHAT. I read in class 3A and my roll number is 26. This is a model of multiplication table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. 5 elevens are 55. 5 twelves are 60. Thank you.
Good afternoon to my respected principal sir, all of the teachers and my friends. Today I am Ankush Arshya from Techno India Group Public School. Today I will do math exhibition topic simple apple tree math game. Now see 7 plus 7 equal 14. Then 13 plus 7 equal 20. Then 8 plus 1 equal 9. We can do multiplication, minus and divide. Now I will do multiplication. See, 20 multiplied by 1 equal 20. This is one example of multiplication. Now I will do sum plus. 5 plus 5 equal 10. Thank you for watching my math exhibition project.
Hello, I Devargo Boshak, a student of TIGP's BALURGHAT of class 3, is going to prove a property of a triangle, that is, the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. ABC is a triangle. I have drawn 3 arcs of same radius on each vertex of a triangle. Then I have cut the 3 angles. Then I have drawn a line and marked point P on it. Now I take the first angle and paste it at the point P. Now I take the second angle and paste it at the point P beside the first angle. Then I take the third angle and paste it at the point P beside the second angle. Now I observe that the 3 angles form a straight angle that is 180 degrees. So it is proved that the sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I am Devanshu Pal, a student of class 4B. I am going to show a math exhibition. My topic is circle and its parts. What is a circle? A circle is a round shaped figure that has no corners or edges. There are many parts of circle. such as center, circumference, chord, diameter, radius, segment, tangent, arc, etc. This is a circle. The middle point is known as the center. This is the radius of the circle. The line segment is known as the diameter of the circle. The boundary is known as the circumference of the circle. The green colored line is known as the chord of the circle. The yellow colored shaded part is the segment of the circle. This is the arc of the circle. This is the tangent of the circle. It is the point of tangency. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Anisha Panchanan. I read in class 4. Today my topic is the calculator tray. In this calculator tray, we can do addition and subtraction by 3-digit numbers. All the numbers here are written from 0 to 9. There are units, tens and hundreds. If we are doing here addition, we will go forward, and if we will do subtraction, we will move backward. So let's get started with addition. Here the question is 364 plus 103. In the units place, it is 4. So I will keep it at 4. In the tens place, it is 6. So I will put it at 6. In the hundreds place, it is 3. So I will keep it at 3. Now I will add it with 103. In the units place, it is 3. So I will move 3 steps forward as we are doing here addition. 1, 2 and 3. In the tens place, it is 0. If it is 0, then we will not do anything. In the hundreds place, it's 1. So I will move 1 step forward. Now the answer is 467. 467. Now I will start with subtraction. The question is 892 minus 781. In the units place, it is 2. So I will keep it at 2. In the tens place, it's 9. So I will put it at 9. In the hundreds place, it's 8. So I will keep it at 8. Now I will minus it with 781. In the units place, it's 1. So I will move 1 step backward because we are doing here subtraction. In the tens place, it's 8. So I will move 8 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It has reached 1. In the hundreds place, it's 7. So I will move 7 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now the answer is 111 or 111. 111. That's enough. Thank you and goodbye everybody.
Today I will show an exhibition on the topic 2D shapes. First, in a 2D shape, it comes the circle. We know that circle has 0 sides and 0 vertices. Then comes the square. We know that square has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. Next comes the triangle. We know that triangle had 3 sides and 3 vertices. Then comes the rectangle. We also know that the rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Next comes the pentagon. We know that pentagon has 5 sides and 5 vertices. Next comes the hexagon. We know that hexagons have 6 sides and 6 vertices. And at the last it comes the oval. We know the oval contains 0 sides and 0 vertices. It doesn't have any sides and vertices, like same as circle. So by this today I concluded my topic. Hope you have liked it. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.
Myself Kashmira Kundu from class 8A. Today I am going to represent a model for maths exhibition. My topic is different types of graphs. So here we are representing different types of graphs. At first I will show linear graph. So a linear graph is a graph that displays data which changes continuously over periods of time, as shown in the example here. So here it is shown that in the y-axis distance is represented in kilometer and in the x-axis time is represented. So as we can see here, when it is 8 am, the distance covered is 50 km. When it is 9 am, the distance covered is 150 km. When it is 10 am, the distance covered is 250 km. When it is 11 am, the distance remains same and it's also 250 km, and so on. So in this way we can see that as time is going on, the distance is increasing. So it is changing over periods of time. The data which is shown here is changing over periods of time. So as told before, a linear graph shows data which changes over periods of time, and it is also changing after different spans of time. So now I will show another type of bar graph which is called the histogram. A histogram is a type of bar graph that represents data in intervals. Let's see an example. Here we can see that the y-axis is representing number of persons and the x-axis is representing the weight. We can see that the data is represented in intervals. Weight of 40 to 45 kgs are almost 4 persons. Weight of 45 to 50 kgs are 12 persons. Weight of 50 to 55 kgs are 14 persons. Weight of 55 to 60 kgs are 8 persons, and so on. So these type of graphs are used to represent data in intervals. They do not show any gap between the bars. Another one fact about a histogram is that in the origin a jagged line is given in a histogram. This represents that we are not showing any number between 0 and 40. So as said before, a histogram is used to represent data in intervals without any gap between the bars. So this was my representation of the model for the maths exhibition for the topic different types of graphs. Hope you liked it. Thank you.
My respected teacher and my dear friends, today I, Antadipan Bhomik from class 7B, is going to perform an activity or a practical experiment on Pythagoras theorem and want to explain you about all the things on Pythagoras theorem. Thank you. Basic diagram of Pythagoras theorem. This is the perpendicular side, this is the base angle, this is the hypotenuse side. Here is few color combinations also, like blue and yellow comes to green. There are few points about Pythagoras theorem, like this Pythagoras theorem, this facts of Pythagoras theorem, this Pythagoras theorem rule, Pythagoras theorem practical activity, Pythagoras theorem invention. This practical activity I am going to show you practically. And here it is written the rule about the Pythagoras. So here the rule is written a square plus b square equals to c square about Pythagoras theorem. And here is the facts for Pythagoras theorem. If the Pythagoras property holds, the triangle must be right angle triangle. This is the thing that I shown you and explained you in this diagram. Now let's talk about Pythagoras theorem invention, which is the most mysterious thing, because most of the people think that nevertheless the theorem came to be credited to Pythagoras. It also proposition number 47 from book I of Euclid's Elements. Whereas some people say that there is a concert evidence that the Pythagorean theorem was discovered and proven by Babylonian mathematician 1000 years before Pythagoras was born out. Now let's talk about the Pythagoras invention time. Pythagoras theorem was invented in 19,000 BC by Babylonian as Pythagorean theorem. Then it became as Pythagoras theorem, which was invented by Pythagoras. Here is a photo of Pythagoras theorem, the philosopher. He was a great philosopher. See the practical activity. So in this I am going to show that a square plus b square equals to c square. Now when I am going to rotate it, see it fills the c square part. See the beats come to the c square and it fills the whole c square part. So thus it concludes that the a square plus b square equals to c square. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Here is a circle which I have cut into 8 equal parts. Now I am taking the parts and arranging it in a different manner. After arranging all the sectors, the figure that we have obtained is that of a rectangle, where the length of the rectangle is pi r, as it is half of the circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r, and the breadth is r, as it is the radius of the circle. From here we can see that since the rectangle is made from the parts of the circle, so the area of rectangle and area of circle will be same. And we know that area of rectangle equals to length into breadth, and the length is pi r and breadth is r. So after multiplying, we will get pi r square. So from this, we can conclude that the area of circle is equal to pi r square, where r is radius. Thank you.
Hello, today I am Abhiruk Nandi and my topic about my exhibition is about the Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization is a civilization found about thousands of years ago. Some of the important cities of this civilization were Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, found at present-day Pakistan, and Dholavira, Ropar and Kalibangan, found at present-day India. Well-planned cities and buildings were built with the help of bricks, and long straight main roads were linked with smaller lanes in the cities and towns in the Indus Valley civilization. They also had mud brick houses built with bricks, and they had also upper and ground floors built around courtyards. They also had a Mohenjo-daro priest king. This is the Mohenjo-daro priest king found in 1927 after 5 years. When the Mohenjo-daro was found in 1922, after 5 years, this statue of the Mohenjo-daro priest king was found. And this is the model of the Indus Valley civilization of the Mohenjo-daro. This is the great bath found in the Mohenjo-daro. It had a huge tank in the center with changing rooms all around the tank. It was used for bathing and also for ceremonial purposes such as wedding, etc. Then, the great granary. It is the great granary in which the farmers in the Indus Valley civilization kept their surplus grains. My topic finishes here. Thank you.
the name of the important cities of Indus Valley civilization.
The important cities of the Indus Valley civilization were Harappa, Mohenjo-daro founded present-day Pakistan, and Dholavira, Kalibangan and Rupar founded present-day India.
Tell me which is the great bath in your project.
This is the great bath in my project, and this was used for ceremonial purposes such as wedding, etc. It had changing rooms all around the tank.
In which year Mohenjo-daro priest king was found?
The Mohenjo-daro priest king was found in 1927. After Mohenjo-daro was found in 1922, after the 5 years, this Mohenjo-daro priest king was found. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. Today, I am Moin Chaudhary is going to present an exhibition before you on the topic Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa, literally Khalifa Tower, known as Burj Dubai, is a skyscraper in Dubai with a total height of 2,722 feet. It has been constructed in 2010, presiding Taipei 101. Named for Sheikh Khalifa, it has been world's largest architecture reinforcement in construction with Adrian Smith. There are only 12 types of prototypes with only 7 construct stages. Being world's largest hotels with stunning architecture, the Great Mosque of Shamara was its inspiration. Also, it is fully made up of outer glass. The first luxurious cabinets are situated here. The sky lobbies also have swimming pool in it.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nijawada Bashak of class 5. Today I am going to explain how Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred. So this is the 1/50 scale model of Jallianwala Bagh. On 13th April 1919, many people led by Udham Singh gathered at one corner of the Jallianwala Bagh. But suddenly General Michael O'Dwyer came to the narrow passage of the Bagh and assembled his troop through a horizontal way. After a few minutes only, he ordered his troop to fire on them. The fire ran about 10 minutes until 1,650 ammunitions were exhausted. Thousands, including men and women, were killed, but many of them jumped into the well, which is known as Martyr's Well, to save their life. But eventually, after 1 to 2 hours, they also died. After this massacre, Rabindranath Tagore and Mahatma Gandhi had to give up their degrees. Rabindranath Tagore relinquished his knighthood and Mahatma Gandhi relinquished his Kaisar-e-Hind given by the British. So today we have built the Jallianwala Bagh Memorial and a statue of Udham Singh in front of the Bagh. So this was how Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred. So thank you and have a nice day, and happy Saraswati Puja to everyone.
Good morning everyone. Today Priyanshu Sarkar of class 7 is going to explain the model of rainwater harvesting. So this is the collection tank where the water comes directly from the rain, and through this pipe it comes to the filtration tank where the water gets purified, and from the filtration tank it goes to the well from where the people get the purified good water. So now I am going to show you how this process works. Like this whole process goes continuously. So I always request you, and we all should do conservation of water for our motherland and for the earth. So thank you and have a very nice Saraswati Puja.
Good morning to my respected principal sir and teachers and my all dear friends. Today I am Sharbhanu Das from class 5B. Today I am going to discuss a topic about the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. And this is the model of Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. And it is also the World Heritage Site of India. So, the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, also known as the DHR or the toy train, is a gauge railway that runs between New Jalpaiguri and Darjeeling in the India state of West Bengal, built between 1878 and 1881. It climbs from about 100 meter, 328 feet above sea levels at New Jalpaiguri to about 2200 meter, 7218 feet at Darjeeling, using 6 zigzags and 5 loops to gain altitude. 6 diesel locomotives handle most of the scheduled service, with daily tourist trains from Darjeeling to Khum, India highest railway station, and the steam halt Red Panda service from Darjeeling to Karshiang. Steam enthusiast specials are hauled by vintage British-built B-class steam locomotives. The railway's headquarters are at Karshiang. And this is the picture in 1881, Darjeeling, the year of invention. And this is the picture of the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. And it is the person named Franklin Prestige, the inventor of Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. So friends and teachers, that today my topic up to this. Thank you and have a nice and wonderful day.
Happy Saraswati Puja to our honorable principal sir, respected teacher, all my dear friends and all the parents. I, Meghavarna Rai, is standing here to show a working model of a volcano. A volcano is a mountain which is present in the class. During a eruption, a hot pressure zone creates in the mantle. When a hot pressure zone creates, the magma present in the mantle comes out through the vent. When it comes out, it is known as lava. Lava consists of many important minerals required by us, such as feldspar, quartzite, magnesium, etc. During a volcanic eruption, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and carbon gases are very common. Okay. Now I am going to show a working model. So here I am having some materials that I required to show this explosion. I am having a funnel which is made up of paper, a vinegar, a liquid dishwashing soap, and a red color. This is a food color. This is a baking soda. So, and this is a model which is made up of clay. I will place this funnel over here. I will take it. Now I have took a red food color. Now I will took a little discussion paper. I will pour it. Now it's time for when this is a reaction of the baking soda and the vinegar, and these bubbles are occurring for the liquid dissociation. And see, I have added the orange. Here it is coming out like a lava. This is the lava which is coming from the mountain. It's coming here. According to the oh yeah, now I can show you it is coming from here. Actually this lava is really very hot. Very hot. It can melt an iron within a couple of seconds. Now the lava has stopped because the reaction is over. It's coming out.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to our Humanities exhibition. Myself Ruchira Roy, and today I am going to explain you about the preambles of the world. Firstly, I am going to tell you about the South African preamble. The South African preamble was adopted on the backgrounds of the apartheid system. The apartheid was a political system by virtue of which the black-skinned people of South Africa were discriminated from the white-skinned people of South Africa. The blacks were not allowed to enjoy the privileges and the facilities that were enjoyed by the white-skinned people of South Africa. As a result of which, the South African preamble stands to establish equality, freedom, social justice and fraternity to each and every citizen of the country, irrespective of caste, creed, religion and race. Second comes the American preamble. The American preamble was also adopted to establish a united nation in order to form the perfect nation. The American preamble stands to establish equality, freedom, fraternity, justice, liberty, and domestic tranquility to each and every citizen of the country, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, race, or any community. Last but not the least is the Indian preamble. The Indian preamble was adopted on the backgrounds of Indian freedom struggle. The Indian preamble stands to promote sovereignty, secularism, democracy, republic, and socialism. The Indian preamble also tries to establish equality, fraternity, social justice, and liberty to each and every citizen of the country. As India is a land in diversity, that is, different cultures live together in the country, so the main objective of the Indian preamble was to establish a nation where each and every race and culture can live together with harmony and integrity. First, the term sovereignty means that India is an independent nation. It is devoid of any kind of external control. Second, The term socialist means that each and every people of the country is having freedom and equality of social and economy. Third, the term republic means that the head of the nation is the prime minister and all the major decisions of the nation is directly or indirectly taken by the elected representatives of the people. Third, the term secularism means that India is a country which does not have any national religion. Each and every citizen of India is having the freedom to practice, profess or not follow any religion. The state shall not give any kind of special privilege to any particular religious community. All the religious community shall get the same privilege from the state. Thank you for attending our humanities exhibition and thank you for lending me your ears.
Wow, what a nice performance. What do you feel?
It's competitive.
That's all for today. Thank you for lending your ears. Hope you have liked and enjoyed our today's program and learnt a lot from our junior scientists. Once again, thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Hello friends, today I am showing an experiment based on vacuum. For this one we need one plate, one candle, one matchstick, empty glass, color water. At first I want to say what is called vacuum. Vacuum is the space from which all the matter has been taken out. At first, light up the candle and fix the candle on the plate. Now carefully pour some water on the plate. After pouring some water in the plate, then carefully covered with the empty glass. And observe. The candle extinguish and water rise up in the glass. The candle use all the oxygen using for burning. And when all the oxygen is used, the candle extinguishes itself. Now all the pressure is low inside the glass and air is lighter. And all the pressure heavy outside the glass and air is heavier. This causes vacuum and makes water rise up in the glass. Oxygen in the glass consumed by flame to burn and is replaced by water. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, myself is Rasan May of class 2. I am from TECHNO India Group Public School. Today I am doing an experiment. For this experiment we need 2 glasses of water, lemons and salt. First I pour water in 2 glasses. Then I add 2 spoons of salt in 1 glass. And mix it well till it dissolves completely. Then I pour 2 lemons in separate glasses. See, the lemon is sink in the glass, which has only water. As because the lemon has high density than the water. On the other hand, the water which has salt mix in it has high density than the lemon. So the lemon floats. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jain. I read in class 2B. My roll number is 18. Today I am doing a science activity. Thank you, sir.
Good morning. Me, Shovrajit Pal, a student of class 3 in TECHNO India Group Public School. Today, I am presenting a science exhibition on the topic Light Goes Through Straight Line. Let us try and understand with the help of a simple experiment. Take 3 rectangular cardboard A, B, C, and C. Make a small hole at the center of the cardboards. Place a burning candle on the side of the cardboard at the level of hole. Make sure that you have arranged the 3 cardboards and the candle in such a way that the 3 pinholes and the candle are in a straight line. Now observe the candle flame through the hole C. You will be able to see the flame of the candle as the holes are in a straight line at the level of the candle. If you slightly displace any one of the cardboards and try to see the flame through the hole of the cardboard C, the flame will not be visible. Hence we conclude that light travels in a straight line. This is known as rectilinear propagation of light. Thank you.
Hello, I Devarko Bashak, a student of TECHNO BALURGHAT of class 3 is going to represent a presentation about solar energy. The energy that we get from sun is called solar energy. We can convert solar energy into electricity by using a solar panel. Solar panel is a series of large number of solar cells. We can set up solar panels at our roof. During daytime, solar energy is converted into DC current by using a solar panel. We can store this DC current into a battery.
everyone. Myself Salvia Korchodhuri and here I am with
Shohini Goswami.
and today we are going to show an experiment named chemical volcano. Materials required for this are
Here are the ingredients. First is baking soda, and there is vinegar, and there is food color.
So let's begin.
Here we are applying the vinegar on it, and here is the baking soda. So now we are applying the food color on it.
And here goes the baking soda. And we have kept the baking soda in this paper so that it will be easier for us to add. And this was the experiment of our chemical volcano. Hope you all liked it. So now I am going to explain you about this chemical volcano. As you can see the picture, in this picture inside the volcano there is a bottle in which I have added baking soda, food color and vinegar. Because of mixing this vinegar to the baking soda, a huge reaction formed, which you can see in this chemical volcano. So, do you know the reason, why this happened?
Yes, I know that chemical volcano is an example of a decomposition reaction. When ammonium dichromate is heated at high temperatures, it decomposes to chromium oxide, nitrogen gas and steam. So this is called a chemical volcano.
So I hope now it is clear to you all what is chemical volcano. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I Sonakshi Datta and my friend
myself Neeladri Shaha.
Today we are going to represent an experiment on the topic devil toothpaste.
In this experiment, we will use the KMNO4 and the liquid soap with the hydrogen peroxide. I am going to add the KMNO4 into the water.
So now we are going to add the soap. And now we are mixing it.
Now I am going to add the hydrogen peroxide into the potassium permanganate solution. Let's add it.
So it is the form of the devil toothpaste. Hope you liked our experiment.
Thank you.
Myself Vishwadeep Mondol and my friend Pawan Agarwala is going to perform an experiment with an egg and an HCl. As you can see here, we have HCl, glass and an egg. So we are going to show you the reaction between HCl and eggshell. So without wasting any time, let's start. My friend Vishwadeep is going to pour this HCl into the glass. Now you can see this is the HCl that we have taken inside the glass and this is the egg which we are going to pour. As you can see here, the egg has gone inside the HCl and it has started its reaction. You can see the bubbles forming here. So It's a slow reaction, so let's meet after an hour.
One eternity later.
HCl is reacting with the eggshell continuously forming this foamy structure over it. All you can see. The eggshell is continuously reacting with the HCl and which is breaking down the eggshell contents into the glass. This eggshell also contains protein which is reacting with HCl and breaking down leading to denaturation. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am Samriddha Sen Sharma of class 8 of Techno India Group Public School, Balurghat. So today I am going to do one exhibition which is on the subject chemistry, and the topic is electrolytic disinfection generator. So this generator can effectively sterilize virtually anything. This self-made disinfectant is safe and harmless. So now we will see the materials required for this project. So this one is the electrical instrument which we are going to use for the generator. Then we will need salt, which is the common salt we eat. We will need water. We will need 1 spoon. And we will need one USB wire to connect it with the plug. Now I will add all the materials to the electrical generator. First we will add salt. Here I am adding 1.5 spoon of salt. And now let us add water. So there is one level. So now let us close it again. So now we will switch on the generator and it will take 8 minutes to form the disinfectant. Now we'll press this button and now it will start. So you will be able to see reactions of it. See, you can see gases, bubbles forming from the metal coil here. So electrolysis is taking place. So the water and the chlorine Cl generated by the electrolysis is converted into a disinfectant containing hypochlorous acid, which is HOCl, and sodium hypochlorite, NaOCl. Our disinfectant is ready. So this consists of hypochlorous acid and sodium hypochlorite. So now let us see that it's hypochlorite acid or not. So we can get the smell of bleaching powder from it, which shows that it consists of chlorine and it's hypochlorous acid. Nowadays it is very much important to form a disinfectant or buy a disinfectant or a sanitizer from outside as to prevent COVID-19 infection. So I request everyone to perform this activity and everyone should stay safe and healthy.
Good morning. Myself Obishita Singhoran. Myself Rajania Bani. And myself Shantani Chakraborty. Today we are going to do an experiment on the topic how to make a fire snake. So without wasting much time, let us start the experiment. First we have to add 40 grams of sugar in a bowl. Then we have to add 10 grams of baking soda to the sugar. Then we have to mix it. Now we have to pour the mixture of baking soda and sugar in the sand by the help of top of the water bottle. Then we have to add some alcohol. Then we have to repeat this process again. Then we have to light the sand by the help of a long necked matchstick. When baking soda is heated to a specific temperature, carbon dioxide gas is released. The pressure created from the release of the carbon dioxide gas causes the snake to grow. The snake gets its black appearance due to the sugar being caramelized by the heat. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Today, I, Audit Manto, with my friends Krisdia and Shobit Kundu, are going to do an experiment based on acid-base detection using natural indicator.
Here, the raw materials involved are, here's the indicator section, acid, base, water and 4 jars for result. In indicators, we are having China rose indicator, which is of natural extract found in all of our homes. This is turmeric solution made up of natural turmeric. This is base, this is acid. This acid is of vinegar and this base is bleaching agent. Here water, simple water. Here 4 jars for result. Acids. Acids are those chemicals which have sour taste. It are present in plants, animals. It can be also found in laboratories. Some examples of such acid is that HCl or hydrochloric acid and citric acid. Moreover, we are having more acids as well.
Bases. Bases are the chemicals which are bitter in taste. Sometimes bases are dissolved in water. Then they are called alkali. Bases are found in laboratories and even in homes. Some example of bases are sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, etc.
Now we will add the acid, which is vinegar, in 2 of our result jars. Now when the vinegar is kept, we will put some of the China rose solution by spoon in one of the jars. Here you can see the color change, which is becoming orangish type or magenta. Now we'll take our another indicator, that is turmeric solution, and put it in the other jar which also contains vinegar. Now as vinegar is an acid, there will be no change in color and the solution remains yellow. This shows that vinegar is an acid, which is being tested by 2 of the indicators.
Now we are having here the bleaching agent, which is basic in nature, and we'll put it in the 2 of our jars. Okay, for result. Now we are having the indicator section, where we are having the first of our indicator, China rose indicator. We'll add it in one of the jar. Slowly, the solution will turn into greenish color. the solution turns into green color, we know that bases turn green when added with China rose solution. And as it is green color, it proves that it is base. Now it's turn for other one, which is turmeric solution. It's pure yellow color. Now when we'll add it, it turns becoming red. Slowly it will become red. Yeah, it's red now. Let me stir it, and prominently it is red. So we can see that after doing all of this, generally the bases turns green in color when added with China rose solution, and and turns red when added with the turmeric solution. So we can conclude from that acid and the bases changes their color on terms of indicator. We have used here the natural indicator, which of natural extract, the China rose and the turmeric. Both are made into solution, and we have used the acid vinegar and the base as bleaching agent, which is available in all of our home. The color changes explains that our experiment is successful, and as we know that color changes appropriate and as to the experiment. So we can see that so it's our experiment, and I would like to conclude by saying that the experiment we occur is a part of our chemistry exhibition. So thank you and have a nice day.
A warm and pleasant good morning to all and all present in this virtual exhibition. Today I, Archita Shingolai, and my friend Tisi Sarkar is going to show sunset color explosion